To fix a USB-C docking station that is not detecting monitors, several issues may be the cause, including problems with device drivers, monitor settings, or faulty USB ports. To resolve these issues, start by locating the error code on your device. Do this by pressing the Start button, searching for Device Manager, and selecting it from the list of results. Look for the device with a yellow exclamation point symbol. Right-click on it, and choose Properties. The error code will be displayed under Device Status. Use this code to find the relevant troubleshooting guide on the Microsoft support website. Another potential solution is to reset your monitor settings to their default values, which can be done by following the instructions in your monitor's manual. Additionally, try using a different USB port to see if the issue is port-specific. By following these steps, you should be able to troubleshoot and fix the problem with your USB-C docking station.